What if I told you that one of the richest countries in Europe is actively looking for foreign workers in 2026, and many of these opportunities do not require a university degree? Guys, don't sleep on this. When people think about moving abroad, they usually focus on Canada, Australia, or Germany. Meanwhile, Switzerland is quietly opening doors for seasonal workers and international talent because many industries are struggling to find enough staff. And here's the mind-blowing part. Some seasonal jobs can pay between $3,500 and $6,000 per month depending on the role, location, and working hours. If you're looking for a strategic immigration pathway that can eventually lead to longer-term opportunities in Europe, then this video is for you. Make sure you stay until the end because I'll also show you the official websites where employers post vacancies. Switzerland is experiencing worker shortages, especially during peak seasons. Hotels, restaurants, agriculture, logistics, and healthcare support services often struggle to recruit enough local workers. This has created seasonal job opportunities that international workers can target. Many people first enter through temporary or seasonal work opportunities. They gain European work experience, build professional networks, and later transition into longer-term employment opportunities. In-demand sectors in Switzerland. 1. Hospitality and tourism. Hotels, ski resorts, restaurants, and tourism companies continuously hire seasonal workers. Popular roles include reception assistant, housekeeping staff, kitchen helper, waiter or waitress. Typical salary, $3,500 to $5,500 per month. During peak tourist seasons, some workers earn even more through overtime and service-related bonuses. 2. Agriculture and farming. Switzerland's agricultural sector regularly requires extra workers during planting and harvesting seasons. Common roles include fruit picker, farm worker, vineyard assistant, greenhouse worker. Salary range, $3,200 to $5,000 per month. These jobs often require no degree and may provide accommodation assistance. 3. Logistics and warehousing. The growth of e-commerce continues to increase demand. Popular jobs include warehouse operative, packaging assistant, order picker, inventory assistant. Salary range, $4,000 to $6,000 per month. This sector is particularly attractive for applicants with basic warehouse experience. 4. Construction support roles. Switzerland continues investing in infrastructure and housing development. In-demand positions include construction laborer, site assistant, material handler, general helper. Salary range, $4,500 to $7,000 per month. Construction remains one of the highest-paying sectors for workers without university degrees. 5. Cleaning and facility services. Many businesses outsource facility management services. Roles include cleaner, janitorial staff, facility maintenance assistant, housekeeping personnel. Salary range, $3,500 to $5,500 per month. These jobs are often accessible to newcomers entering the Swiss labor market. Let's break down the exact process. Step 1. Prepare a European-style CV. Your CV should be clear and professional. Focus on work experience, skills, certifications, language abilities, contact information. Highlight any experience related to hospitality, agriculture, logistics, cleaning, or construction. Step 2. Search official job portals. Start with these websites: seasonworkers.com, jobs.ch/n, adeco.com/n-ch, jobup.ch. These platforms regularly advertise opportunities from Swiss employers. Take time every day to search for new vacancies. Consistency matters. Step 3. Apply strategically. Don't submit one application and wait. Apply to multiple suitable positions. Tailor your CV for each role. Employers notice applicants who customize their applications. Step 4. Attend interviews. Many interviews now happen online. Prepare answers about your work experience, availability, language skills, why you want to work in Switzerland. Confidence matters. Employers are often looking for reliable workers more than perfect candidates. Step 5. Work permit process. Once you receive a job offer, your employer will usually guide you through the required permit procedures. Documentation may include passport, employment contract, supporting documents, background checks. Always follow instructions provided by official authorities and your employer. Guys, Switzerland may not be the first country people mention when discussing work abroad opportunities, but that is exactly why smart applicants are paying attention. The country continues to need workers in hospitality, agriculture, logistics, construction, and facility services. If you're serious about moving abroad in 2026, this is one country you should definitely research further. Now I want to hear from you. Comment below. What country are you watching from? And which sector interests you most? If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future opportunities from Europe and around the world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.